Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about deadlock, part of database management system course. In a database, a deadlock is a situation where two or more transactions are waiting for each other to release a lock, resulting in a standstill. Deadlocks can occur when two transactions are trying to update the same rows or tables in a different order, and each transaction is waiting for the other to release its lock. For example, consider the following two transactions. If transaction 1 acquires lock on table A before transaction 2 and transaction 2 acquires the lock on table B before transaction 1, both transactions will be waiting for others to release its lock. This results in a deadlock as neither transaction can proceed until the other releases its lock. Deadlocks can be difficult to detect and resolve and can cause significant performance issues in a database. To prevent deadlocks, it is important to carefully design transactions to minimize the risk of conflicting logs and to implement techniques such as timeouts or escalation procedures to break the deadlock if it occurs. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.